In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect OTG to OnePlus 9i. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up an OTG drive and connect it to your OnePlus device. I'm gonna give you specific instructions for the 9i, but these instructions will work with any other model. So to connect an OTG drive to your OnePlus 9i, you will need the proper adapter. If your device cannot be directly connected into the OnePlus 9i, then you need to purchase the USB-C to USB adapter. Alternatively, if you have a mobile device with a micro USB charging port, purchase micro USB to USB instead. But for the OnePlus 9i, it should be USB-C to USB. So once you purchase the corresponding adapter, you will be able to plug the USB-C end of the adapter into your OnePlus's 9i's USB-C port, and then the USB end of the adapter to your OTG drive. With this done, you can open the files by accessing the Files application on the OnePlus device. You can also download different file browsers from the Play Store, and inside of those file browsers, you will be able to find the OTG drive listed under Storage Devices or something like USB storage. All that you have to do is tap on the OTG drive once it is detected through the connected adapter, and you will be able to access and manage all of its contents. So if you tap on an image or a video, you will be able to watch it. You can copy it over to your device by pressing and holding and then dragging it across, or just finding more options and then choosing copy or move, and everything will be available for you to manage. Any OTG compatible device will work, so all that you have to do is ensure that the adapter was properly connected and that the connection was established successfully. Once this is done, you will always be able to access the files inside of the file browser. Keep in mind that if you are trying to transfer files, the data transfer speed will depend on the adapter, the OTG drive, and the types of files being transferred, and regardless, everything will work flawlessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OTG to OnePlus 9i. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.